We have some more breaking news coming in. In fact, Rahul Gandhi, we've been told, has also reacted on the Pune car accident. He's mounted an attack on the BJP, saying that Narendra Modi is creating two Indias where even justice is dependent on wealth. Let's listen in to what Rahul Gandhi has said.
नमस्कार, मैं राहुल गांधी। बस ड्राइवर, ट्रक ड्राइवर, ओला, उबर, ऑटो ड्राइवर्स अगर गलती से किसी को मार देते हैं तो 10 साल की जेल में सजा हो जाती है और चाबी उठा के वो फेंक देते हैं। मगर अगर अमीर घर का 16 साल का 17 साल का बेटा पोर्श गाड़ी को शराब पी के चलाता है और 2 लोगों की हत्या करता है तो उसे कहा जाता है कि ऐसे लिख दो। ऐसे ट्रक ड्राइवर से, बस ड्राइवर से क्यों नहीं लिखाते? उबर ड्राइवर, ऑटो ड्राइवर से क्यों नहीं लिखाते? नरेंद्र मोदी से पूछा गया कि 2 हिंदुस्तान बन रहे हैं, एक अरबपतियों का, एक गरीबों का। उनका जवाब आता है, क्या मैं सबको गरीब बना दूं? सवाल ये नहीं है, सवाल न्याय का है। अमीरों को, गरीबों को, दोनों को न्याय मिलना चाहिए। न्याय सबके लिए एक जैसा होना चाहिए। इसीलिए हम लड़ रहे हैं, अन्याय के खिलाफ लड़ रहे हैं।
There you heard it. Prathamesh, we've been told that Rahul Gandhi has also now reacted. He's mounted a serious charge against the Bharatiya Janata Party. He says that BJP is creating two Indias where even justice in cases is now entirely dependent on the wealth one has.
In this, everyone are asking for the justice of the 2 people which have been died in this incident. And also the people are asking for the punishment to be given to the guy who was driving the car at 200 km per hour. And also in this, the politics is also been played in this as the statement given by Rahul Gandhi, and also other Congress leaders are giving the statements on this incident that the justice should take place. Also yesterday, Devendra Fadnavis also took a press conference and he told that this is not a incident that we need to do a politics, but on this incident the politics shouldn't be done. He also said that, and also afterwards he said that the action will be taken.
Yes.
Whomsoever is responsible.
Okay, Prathamesh.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.